Hey, if you want to turn on or off the Google Assistant on the Redmi 13C, first of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and open the Play Store, and be sure, let me just rotate the phone, and be sure that you've got the Google Assistant on your phone. So when you type Google, find the Google Assistant and just be sure that it is up to date. And also, just be sure that the Google application have the latest update. And if you download it, just simply open this Google application. Next, click on the right upper corner. Click on this icon and then go to the settings. Now you have to go to this option right here for the Google Assistant. And when you scroll down one more time, we can go to the general options. And here, by tapping on this switcher, we can simply turn on or off the Google Assistant on this device. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.